Hi guys, it's Nick. This is a new video. It's a big shout out for one of my big fans, Stephen Frost in Texas, who's been getting on to me about producing another video, and he's quite right. I've been spending far too long with my grandchildren. So here we go. This is very interesting because this gentleman came to see me complaining that he'd lost a dome in his ear, and he was absolutely adamant that it was his right ear. So on looking inside his ear, you can see where the dome was, but there's definitely no dome there. So obviously I'm not going to leave that wax. We're just going to go in with a Jobson horn very quickly, because that will cause his hearing aid to feed back. And you can actually see where the dome has been resting up against it. Well, he was very mystified, considering he only wears one hearing aid. So we carried on just removing this little bit of wax with the Jobson horn. It was a piece of cake really. Just going to take that little bit out that would interfere with the hearing aid. So as normal, I said to him, well, we've obviously got to look in the other ear. And whoa, there you go. There's the dome from his hearing aid, much to the merriment of his wife and myself. He must have put his hearing aid in the wrong ear, and the dome has come off. So I went in very quickly with the Jobson horn, but unfortunately, as I started to remove it, I had to take the Jobson horn out because it made him cough. And then we gently went back in and removed this very small rubber dome from his non-hearing aid ear, to which he is absolutely adamant to me and his wife that he'd never put that in his ear. What can I say? Age never comes alone. Your bathroom shelf gets wider. So anyway guys, thanks very much, and I'll do my best to see you very shortly. Bye.